Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI website builder, which is Framer and Wix. To get started with a quick overview, Framer is an innovative AI website builder that specializes in ultra-modern responsive design and real-time editing, make it favorable among designers and startups. Its AI features can generate entire website from prompt, and it's ideal for leading page, landing page, and portfolios, and the minimal site with a visual publish. So talking about the Wix, on the other side is a long-standing leader in the all-in-one website builder space, now enhanced with Wix AI, which can help users quickly launch highly customizable sites. It supports blogs, e-commerce, booking, and more. It's also catering to a wide range of users from beginners to growing businesses. And here's a quick downside about these two platforms. So talking about the Framer downside, it has a limited SEO and e-commerce tools that would be less suitable for complex websites or a null design. There's also no built-in app marketable like Wix. Then talking about the Wix downside, or the other side, it can be overwhelming due to features plumped. It also lack a less sleek UI than Framer for design fast users. And also the loop speed can vary with every design. And here's the overall conclusion about these two platforms. So choose Framer if you want a design forward, AI powered site with a clean aesthetic, ideas for portfolios, personal brands, and startup. On the other side, you can just go for Wix if you need an all-in-one builder with a strong e-commerce, marketing, and customization for business. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.